welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a family mail. If you want to find out who it is from and what I got, stick around. Guys, so today I got mail and it is from Rindy Rae. I will have her link up in the cards, one of these two. And what I got, I had already opened it because I did a live earlier, and I showed a haul and things like that. But anyway, so I got a card. It's like a little personal note, so I'm not going to read this out loud. Okay, and inside was this little bag. And I took everything out of the their packages already. Okay, so the first thing that she sent me was this Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask, which is really freaking cool. Let me see, smell it. Oh, so there's a little thingy on it. Eh. Ooh, it is pink. It kind of smells like shampoo. Excuse that little guy. And that one. Okay. And the next thing is the Double Decker Mascara. I said this in quite a few of my lives and things like that. That I really wanted to try this. Like, I really wanted to try it, but in my Boxy charm, I got the Bella Pierre. So she sent me this, which is really cool because now I get to try it. And the next two things are the Bare Minerals matte liquid lipstick in the color Swag. This is like so pretty. I like to do like a little swatch of it. Isn't that like super pretty? And that's like a totally me. Okay, and the next thing is Clove Hollow, and it's in the color Angelic, whatever. And it's a similar color, but lighter. I'll show you this one. This one's really good. It's the top one here. It's like really pretty. Okay, and the next thing, I'm saving the two best things for last, is some French thing. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. Avene Rich Compensating Cream. It's like a lotion. It's my camera forever to focus. And there's two more things in here. The one is the Benefits Professional, the primer. I've been wanting to try this like forever, but I didn't want to go like buy the huge thing of it and then not like it. So like she remembered that and like she sent it to me. Like, how freaking cool is that? But I have like super big pores, so I want to see if it smells. It's a little thingy on it. Just a teeny tiny bit. knocking everything over. And the last thing is the IT Cosmetics Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream and Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum plus SPF 50 Broad Spectrum. Anyway, and it's my shade. I'm pretty sure. When I did a little swatch on my hands, I'll show you. It looked my shade. I have so much stuff on my hands because in my last live I did a haul for today because I went to Five Below and got a bunch of stuff. It's like right there. You can barely even see it. See how it's like tried to leave a lot of it on there so that way. Yeah. So anyway, that's that. It does have a like a medicine-y smell to it. You know what I mean? Like savvy type smell. I don't know. Something like that. But yeah. That was sent from Rindy Rae. Her link is also going to be in the description below. And thank you so, so much, Rindy. You are like an absolute sweetheart. You are like an awesome supporter. And I really, really, really appreciate you sending me this stuff. You didn't have to. You are the best. And I like really, 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 really appreciate it. And I love everything in here. Everything. Definitely going to use all of it. I love it. Yeah, especially this pink clay mask. I'm going to try that tonight. It says this product contains vitamin A. Use with caution if also taking dietary supplements or using other products containing vitamin A. I'm glad I read that. I'm not taking anything with a vitamin A in it. But yeah. Thank you so, so, so much, Rindy. I really appreciate it. And like I said, link to her channel will be in the descriptions below. She is really awesome. She does lives, which she just started doing lately. She does unboxings. Like, she does all kinds of things. Like, so definitely, definitely check her out. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was today I took Bubby to the park. So we're at the park, and you think this dog gives one crap about what I'm doing or her ball? No. She cares about what my son is doing and what my husband's doing. Come on, Bub. Bubbers, I got your ball. She could care less. We're at this park, and like, it is like totally fenced in. Look at her. She's a little turd. Where are you going? Where are you going this one? This is the first time we've ever taken her here. I got my new shoes on. Look at those pretty things. Look at those grubby toes. Ooh. Bub, run! Run! Yay! There's like people across the street. Just like kind of like watching me, like thinking like I'm like weirdo. She keeps dumping her water out. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a clip of what we did today, even though it has absolutely nothing to do with family mail. Bub! There she goes! She's so dang happy. I've never taken her here before. Big-o! Hi! Okay, guys. And like, I mean, she's happy. She feels fine. She just like doesn't want to... That's not her thing, I guess. I guess her thing is sitting in my lap. I got my Boxy charm today. And you already know, you guys, I'm sure you've seen everything that's in it. I ended up getting the, I didn't get the MAC lipstick or the brushes. I got the, Dr. Brandt, vacuum cleaner, pores no more mask. And I got, what else did I get? Give me a minute here, I'm just not with it. I got the Tarte Pro Glow in the color Stunner. I got the Brow Gal in a color that is way too light for my eyebrows. And I got also the Adesi liquid lipstick, which, but this is the little pamphlet thingy that came with it. And I guess these are all the people that like this box is inspired by. And it tells you here, like each one, like which one's favorite. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I got the Brow Gal. And then, the palette. I got the My Little Pony palette. It is, like, freaking pretty. Like, I think most of you guys have this. Like, a lot of people have this. But, like, oh my. Like, this is, like, so pretty. Like, I'll do a few swatches. I'll just do, like 5 swatches. Just random colors. Holy silver. There are like some of the swatches in there. That blue though, ooh, that's some blue. Especially that silver there. Get off my finger. It is like so pretty. I don't know why I did it that way. But I didn't do it enough, that's why. I'll show you guys, hold on. There, that's better. Is that like not like super pretty? You know what I just, oh no, that's because I have, that's like that because I have, it was still wet, that foundation. Like freaking pretty. I got it in my hands. But I'm super excited about that. Anyway, that's all I really got for today. I'm going to start uploading. My uploading schedule is going to be Mondays, which is, well, today's Sunday for me, but this will be uploaded on Monday, and Wednesdays and Saturdays. So that's what my uploading schedule is going to be. And of course, you know, I'll be going live here and there, and I also go live on Instagram. So in the description below is my Instagram handle, so make sure you are following me because I go live quite a bit. Yeah, so definitely make sure you're following me. And don't forget, guys, to go check out Rindy's channel, and I will see you guys next time. Hey guys, I just wanted to throw this in here. This is the look I did with all of the things I got yesterday. I did the professional primer, and I really like it, actually. I'm gonna have to get some of that. Thanks again, Rindy. I really appreciate it. It's mostly worn off my lips now, but I use the Bare Minerals lippy that Rindy sent me, and I also use the Double Decker mascara that she sent me, but I'm not like so into that. I mean, maybe for like a more natural look. It does separate your lashes. It doesn't do too much lengthening, but I put my Better Than Sex on top of it, and you know, I think it kind of, I liked it. But yeah, and I used my My Little Pony palette to do this look. Probably shouldn't have touched the black. I mean, maybe, I don't know. But I used the purple, the pink. Yeah. Anyway, I like it, I think. It's cute. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.